This is a telescoping pickup tool from the Lacona store, and we are going to open this up and have a look at it. This one comes with batteries inside, and it also comes with 4 extra batteries. This is black in color, and it has 3 bulbs. It has a nice springy pocket clip with a flexible neck that you can swivel around in any direction. It telescopes out to about 22.5 inches when it's fully telescoped. It is magnetic both at the base and at the top. The base is going to be a lot stronger as far as the magnet goes. Nice bright light to it. I like it. I hope you have yourself a great day.